Hey friends, welcome to Chai and Coaching. Rob here. We are at a grocery store, one of the options here in America, and we're going to show you prices, options, quality, and help you choose where to do your grocery shopping.
Hey guys, hello, I am Utsav Vidhi. I am from India. I am from the west part of India, that is Gujarat, and we will here help you to pick some good groceries from the store Aldi.
Hi everyone, my name is Vidhi Mistry. I am from Gujarat, India, and this is my first semester here. So now we are going to give you some more tips on how to do grocery shopping, which will be very helpful.
All right, so overall, what was your guys' take or perspective on this grocery store?
Yeah, so the store here has a lots of variety of every grocery that you need, every item that you need, and plus it's quite cheaper than Walmart, Tom Thumb and Patel store.
And also, as it's cheaper and it's a specific area, if you need to go to buy something, you just go there, so it saves a lot of your time. So in a package we can say it's cheaper. It's a small store with a variety of materials and packages.
What maybe were a couple items that really stood out, or that you were really excited for the prices or the quality, or what were a couple items that people should definitely come here for?
Most of the items will be from the dairy products. That will be, first will be bread, second will be egg, third will be milk. These are the best quality products here, and they are a lot more cheaper than Walmart. So you should definitely come here and shop from here.
And to add to his points, if you go to the vegetable section, there are a variety at a low rates and a good quality, of course. And the fruits are very cheaper, and you should eat a lot of fruits as they are very healthy. So I would go definitely go and buy fruits. The quality is very nice. The quantity is also nice.
They're pretty fresh.
Yeah, and they're fresh.
So guys, we got some of the stuffs from here. So first thing we got was wheat bread, which is of just 0.75 cents. Second, we got the macaroni mac and cheese thing, that is only just for 0.33 cents. That is quite cheap other than Walmart and other stores. Next thing we got is 2% milk, that is of just $1.99, which is like 2.49 in Walmart. So it is quite cheap. Our bill could have gone to $15. Here it is just we have completed it in $9.
So it's very cheap if you compare Walmart and Aldi. So I would definitely suggest all my friends to come here and shop with Aldi.
So how else would you describe this store, or what's some other important information people need to know about Aldi?
So when you guys come here, you should have a carter that will help you to get the cart from here, and also you should have your shopping bags here, because they don't provide the shopping bags here.
So one more tip is you should bring your shopping bags here. So if you buy something, you can keep it in the shopping bags, and it will save your money also. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it's environmental friendly. You can buy your own shopping bags. Yeah.
Hey friends, so Aldi is great. My family does a lot of shopping here. It's definitely cheaper than most places. You can save on your grocery budget. It's a German company, so it's very efficient. Bring in the quarter to do your grocery cart, where you pick it up and return it. Bring in your own bags. Otherwise you have to pay for the bags here. They don't give free grocery bags. It's kind of simple, more bulk economic stocking. It's not fancy, but all those things are going to save you money. So you spend a little bit of extra time, a little bit of extra effort, but your grocery bill is going to save a lot. And so that's a big fun thing to come check out whenever you go to Aldi for all your basic grocery shopping.
So one more thing guys, at last, that when you will return your cart, you'll get your quarter back, so don't worry about that.
And if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us. You can like, subscribe, comment, share, continue the conversation, and if this has been helpful, tell other people about it. Thanks again, guys.